To install a blade into the COS-Tool Straight Cutter, first remove the yellow clip. Place one blade sharp side down onto the posts and replace the yellow clip. A blade can be installed on either side. Find extra blade storage on the rear of the tool. To adjust the blade depth of the COS-Tool Straight Cutter, find the blade adjustment dial on the rear of the tool. Find the reference scale on the underside to set the proper depth. The scale is in millimeter and inch. The COS-Tool Straight Cutter must be used with the COS-Tool Channel Rail for best results. Always use foam board underlayment. Align the channel rail along the line that you want to cut, hook on the straight cutter, and holding the blade down, draw straight back. Visit our website to see the entire COS-Tool family.